A hunting knife is an essential tool for outdoorsmen, crafted for durability and precision. Designed for tasks like skinning, gutting, and general fieldwork, these knives feature robust blades and comfortable handles. With a focus on sharpness and strength, a reliable hunting knife enhances your efficiency in the wild, making it an indispensable companion for any hunting expedition. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Gerber Exo-Mod Snap Together Hunting Knife Kit. The ultimate tool for outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative kit features a modular design that allows you to customize your knife to fit your specific needs. With a high-quality stainless steel blade, the Exo-Mod delivers superior sharpness and durability, while its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip even during extended use. The snap-together construction makes assembly and disassembly quick and easy, perfect for those on the go. Whether you're hunting, camping, or tackling any rugged task, the Gerber Exo-Mod provides reliable performance and versatility. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, this knife is your go-to companion for any adventure. Upgrade your gear with the Gerber Exo-Mod and experience unmatched efficiency and convenience in the field. Number 9. CRKT Pilar. A compact yet powerful folding knife designed for reliability and performance. With its rugged, high-carbon stainless steel blade, the Pilar offers exceptional sharpness and edge retention, making it an ideal tool for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Its robust steel frame lock ensures a secure, stable blade, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for precise control. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design by renowned designer Gerber, the Pilar combines form and function seamlessly. Its pocket-friendly size and smooth, reliable opening mechanism make it easy to access when you need it most. Elevate your cutting experience with the CRKT Pilar, a knife that embodies durability, practicality, and style in one compact package. Number 8. Morakniv Bushcraft Carbon. A robust knife built for serious adventurers. This blade features a high-carbon steel construction, renowned for its exceptional sharpness and edge retention, ensuring it performs reliably in tough conditions. Its full-tang design delivers superior strength and balance, making it ideal for bushcraft, camping, and survival tasks. The ergonomic handle, crafted from textured TPE rubber, offers a secure, comfortable grip, even when wet, while the included sheath provides safe and convenient carrying. The Morakniv Bushcraft Carbon also includes a fire starter and a diamond sharpening stone, enhancing its utility for any outdoor scenario. Elevate your outdoor gear with this versatile, dependable knife and experience the perfect blend of durability and functionality. Number 7. Gerber Gator Fixed Blade Knife. Engineered for durability and performance in any environment. Featuring a full-tang, high-carbon stainless steel blade, this knife delivers exceptional strength and sharpness for cutting tasks, from heavy-duty chores to fine, precise work. Its unique Gator grip handle, made from a rugged rubberized material, ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even in challenging conditions. The ergonomic design provides optimal balance and control, while the included nylon sheath offers convenient and safe carry options. Whether you're hunting, camping, or tackling outdoor projects, the Gerber Gator Fixed Blade Knife is a dependable companion that combines toughness and versatility. Enhance your gear with this reliable tool, designed to meet the demands of any adventure with ease. Number 6. Bushcraft's 110 Folding Hunter. A classic blade that embodies timeless craftsmanship and rugged durability. Renowned for its iconic design, this folding knife features a high-quality 420 HC stainless steel blade, known for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade's lockback mechanism ensures secure operation, while the robust ergonomic handle, crafted from genuine ebony wood, provides a comfortable and stylish grip. With its sleek, streamlined profile and precision engineering, the Buck 110 is perfect for hunting, outdoor activities, or everyday tasks. This knife also includes a durable leather sheath for convenient carrying and protection. Elevate your collection with the Bushcraft's 110 Folding Hunter, a reliable tool that combines tradition with modern performance for any adventure. Number 5. Benchmade The Meatcrafter, the ultimate tool for meat processing and culinary precision. Engineered with a high-quality, full-tang CPM 154 stainless steel blade, the Meatcrafter delivers exceptional sharpness and edge retention, making it perfect for tasks like butchering, filleting, and deboning. The knife features an ergonomic textured handle designed for a secure and comfortable grip, even during prolonged use. Its versatile blade shape and razor-sharp edge ensure precise cuts, whether you're preparing game, poultry, or any other meat. The included leather sheath provides safe and convenient storage, ensuring the blade remains protected and accessible. Elevate your kitchen or fieldwork with the Meatcrafter, a dependable and high-performance knife that combines durability with professional-grade functionality. Number 4. Bushcraft's 119 Special, a legendary fixed-blade knife that combines classic design with superior performance. Known for its exceptional strength and durability, this knife features a high-quality 420 HC stainless steel blade, offering outstanding edge retention and resistance to corrosion. The full-tang construction ensures robust, balanced handling, making it ideal for hunting, camping, and outdoor tasks. The 119 Special's elegant design includes a genuine ebony wood handle and a brass guard that enhance both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. The included leather sheath provides safe, convenient carrying and protection for the blade. With its timeless style and dependable craftsmanship, the Buck 119 Special is a versatile tool that stands the test of time, delivering reliability and excellence for any adventure. Number 3. Uncle Henry 182U Elk Hunter Knife, a rugged and reliable tool designed for serious hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted with a full-tang, high-carbon stainless steel blade, this knife offers superior sharpness and durability, perfect for field dressing and processing game. Its distinctive sawback design adds versatility, enabling effective cutting through bone and tough materials. The ergonomic handle, made from genuine staglan, provides a secure and comfortable grip even in wet or slippery conditions. The included leather sheath ensures safe, convenient carrying and protection for the blade. Combining traditional craftsmanship with modern performance, the Uncle Henry 182U Elk Hunter Knife is a dependable companion for any hunting expedition or outdoor adventure, offering both functionality and enduring style. Number 2. Oldtimer 152 OTL Sharp Finger Hunting Bushcraft Knife, a classic tool that blends tradition with top-tier performance. Featuring a high-carbon stainless steel blade, this knife excels in sharpness and durability, making it ideal for skinning, slicing, and general bushcraft tasks. Its unique curved design enhances precision and control, while the ergonomic handle, crafted from textured Saka Delrin, ensures a comfortable, secure grip. The full-tang construction provides added strength and balance, essential for rigorous outdoor use. The 152 OTL also includes a durable leather sheath for convenient carrying and blade protection. With its timeless style and reliable functionality, the Oldtimer 152 OTL Sharp Finger Knife is a trusted companion for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable and effective tool for their adventures. Number 1. Gerber Randy Newberg Exchangeable Blade System Innovative Field Dressing Knife, an innovative field dressing knife designed for versatility and efficiency. This cutting-edge tool features a unique blade exchange system, allowing you to quickly and easily swap blades for various tasks, ensuring you always have the right edge for the job. The high-quality stainless steel blades offer exceptional sharpness and durability, ideal for field dressing, skinning, and cutting. The ergonomic handle, designed in collaboration with renowned hunter Randy Newberg, provides a secure and comfortable grip even in challenging conditions. The knife includes a durable, easy-to-clean sheath for safe and convenient carrying. Elevate your hunting gear with the Gerber Randy Newberg Exchangeable Blade System, a versatile and reliable solution for all your field dressing needs.